We are using Gradle assemble debug to build the APK, and Gradle take care of everything. Gradle assemble debug nothing but a command line, and in any command line we can pass argument. This is the core concept of passing information from command line to Gradle. Let's consider we want to pass version name and version code. Our version name format is app_version_name dot version_date. Please note that we already added app_version_name in Circle CI application settings. Right now, default value is 1.0. You can update that value anytime in there, and you don't need to update code anymore. Version_date will be calculated at runtime. Year, month, date, hour, minute is like exactly this format. Our version code format is app_version_code. We'll just add 1 with the default value for our current build. When you release your application and want to upgrade again, just update the default value in dashboard, no code change. You can find your app_version_name and version code in your project settings, and it is in here. Alright, time to calculate version_date. This is not a fixed value, and that's why we cannot add it to dashboard, but we have to calculate every time that build trigger. Also, you might want to hold it as a variable throughout your build process. So it's going to be an environment variable, but it's declared at runtime. Go to under machine section, add subsection name environment, and add following line of code. I'll just copy paste from my existing script. So this is actually shell script code. So if you want to know more about date formatting, please do some research. You'll find this is the way you can actually format year, month, date, hour, and minute. Okay, time to modify our Gradle command. Change the Gradle command to this way. It's maybe looking crazy, but let me help you with that. Let's bisect first parameter. -p CI version name. It's actually getting the value from Android_app_version name dot version_date. -p CI version name has two parts. -p, that's actually requirement from Gradle to define when you want to pass any argument in command line, and then the rest of the part, which is CI version name, is the one it's going to be recognized from Gradle. In the second part, -p CI version code, which is the same thing like I explained before. -p is the requirement, CI version code is going to be recognized from Gradle. So we are quite done with our YML scripting at this stage. Now it's time to modify our Gradle file so that it can access these values and can use it.